Ever wonder why you feel exhausted even after sleeping 8 hours straight? Your body might be screaming signals that you're drowning in chronic stress daily. Most people ignore these warning signs until their health completely crashes down. Today, I'll reveal 5 shocking signs your nervous system is stuck overdrive mode. These symptoms disguise themselves as normal life, but they're actually destroying you slowly. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching from, and hit like if you want to discover what's most unexpected. Sign number 1 hits differently. You're constantly catching every single cold around. Your immune system becomes weaker than wet paper when stress hormones flood constantly. Cortisol literally shuts down your body's natural defense mechanisms, like a broken gate. Sarah, my neighbor, got sick 12 times last year before realizing stress caused it. She worked 80-hour weeks while her body desperately sent distress signals everywhere. The second sign creeps up silently. Your memory starts failing you completely. You walk into rooms forgetting why, lose keys daily, blank during conversations. Chronic stress literally shrinks your hippocampus, the brain's memory storage center, completely. It's like having a computer with corrupted hard drive. Nothing saves properly. Mark, a software engineer, couldn't remember his own code after stressful months. His productivity plummeted because stress hormones literally rewired his neural pathways backward. Third warning sign attacks your sleep patterns like a relentless digital vampire. You're either crashing for 12 hours or lying awake until dawn breaks. Your circadian rhythm gets hijacked by cortisol spikes at completely wrong times. Lisa discovered she'd wake up at 3 a.m. every night, mind racing endlessly. Her adrenal glands pumped stress hormones like a broken factory machine overnight. Sleep becomes impossible when your body thinks it's constantly under attack. The fourth sign manifests physically. Your muscles stay permanently tensed up. Shoulders feel like concrete blocks. Jaw clenches unconsciously. Headaches pound relentlessly daily. Your nervous system can't distinguish between actual danger and deadline pressure. Mike realized he'd been grinding his teeth for months during presentations. His body prepared for physical combat while he just answered emails peacefully. This constant muscle tension leads to chronic pain that doctors can't explain easily. The fifth and most dangerous sign: your emotions become completely unpredictable roller coaster. One moment you're fine. Next, you're crying over spilled coffee cups. Stress depletes neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine that regulate mood naturally. Jennifer snapped at her kids for laughing too loudly during breakfast. She couldn't understand why normal sounds felt like fingernails on chalkboards. Her nervous system was stuck in permanent hypervigilance mode, overreacting to everything. But here's what nobody tells you about chronic stress. It's completely reversible. Your body has incredible healing powers once you remove the constant pressure. The solution isn't another productivity hack or time management seminar at all. You need to literally retrain your nervous system to feel safe again. Start with breath work. 4 seconds in, hold 4. Exhale for 8 seconds. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural reset button, immediately. Practice saying no to non-essential commitments that drain your energy reserves. Create boundaries like fortress walls around your peace and mental well-being. Movement helps metabolize stress hormones. Even 10 minutes walking works wonders. Your body needs to physically discharge the tension it's been holding. Most importantly, recognize that constant stress isn't a badge of honor. It's a warning sign that your lifestyle needs immediate adjustment right now. Which of these 5 signs resonated most deeply with your current experience? Share your story in the comments. You might help someone else recognize. Remember, acknowledging the problem is always the first step toward healing completely. Your future self will thank you for taking action today instead of tomorrow.